I am so excited for this video. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Brandy and you're watching the Glam Belle, and today I am comparing, you can just look at the bottle and know what it is, my beloved OLAPLEX number 3. This is something that I have used in my hair care regimen for years now. Well, Curlsmith just came out with a brand new product that is supposed to be even better than the OLAPLEX number 3, and that is the Bond Curl Rehab Salve. I'm putting these two head to head today to see if this one really does compare to the OLAPLEX number 3. Y'all know I've been using this for a long time. I know how it works. I know the type of results that I get from it. I have not used this yet, but it looks extremely promising. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about this and we are going to test it out together. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down there. Make sure to turn on the bell so that you are notified when I upload videos here on YouTube. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on in to this video. And before we get started, I do want to say a huge thank you to Curlsmith for sponsoring today's video. You guys, even though this video is sponsored, these thoughts and opinions that you're going to see are my own. I'm going to give you the real deal on this new product. And they also have a new product line, which is a very protein rich product line. Both of these products are bond building treatments. They are not conditioners. They are a bond building treatment, which is made to help repair damaged hair. Damaged hair happens from a lot of factors. It can be from everyday things like too much UV rays damaging the hair. It can be from over brushing, over washing. It could be from bleach. It could be from hair coloring. It could be from heat tools. It could be from a lot of things. So all of our hair needs that strengthening to help repair it from time to time. Now, if you are someone that has super healthy hair, you have low porosity hair, maybe you wouldn't need to use this as frequently. But for someone like me who has damaged hair, I've got old bleach on my hair, I definitely need to use treatments like this a little more often to help rebuild those bonds that have been broken down in the hair. And of course, you know, when your hair is damaged, it can definitely start to look dull, lifeless, no shine, frizzy. You can go back to a few videos ago where I shared with you guys my hair disaster. I actually had protein overload, and now I am at a great place where my hair is finally balanced, but I definitely still need treatments like these to help continue to repair those bonds in my hair that have been broken down. My hair is high porosity, it's extremely porous, so I definitely need more protein type rich products in my hair care routine without overdoing it, if that makes sense. So I am so excited because I know whenever I use the OLAPLEX number 3 on my hair responds beautifully. It brings the life back to my hair. It brings the bounce back, the springiness of my curls back. It really just makes my hair look shinier, stronger, and just more beautiful. So this product is supposed to do the same exact thing. And what I love about the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve is that the ingredients in it are very natural ingredients. It has pressed chia seeds, shiitake mushrooms, prickly pear pulp, pumpkin seed oil, guava, and kale are all in this. And all of those ingredients are proven to actually have benefits of strengthening the hair. This product is also sulfate, paraben, silicone, mineral oil, phthalate, and DEA free, which of course we always love as well. I'm actually going to wash my hair because my hair is about on day 6, and I like to use these type of treatments when I have actually cleansed all of the product and buildup kind of off of my hair so that I can get the most out of this treatment. Now you will see on the OLAPLEX bottle it says to use before shampooing, but what I have found in the past is that when I use it without shampooing first, I don't feel like I get as good of results. Obviously, you can do what you want to do, but I'm actually going to cleanse my hair first. I'm going to put the Rehab Salve on one side and then the OLAPLEX number 3 treatment on the other side. I'm going to leave it on for the same amount of time, and we are just going to see how each side starts to respond. So let's go ahead and wash my hair.
I'm working with about 6-day hair here, and I just wanted you guys to see, get a little glimpse into what my hair was looking like. And this is what she looks like. It was a bit rough. It was a bit rough. So I did wash my hair, and I'm going to leave the products in the description box. I did use the color recipe line from Curlsmith. I just combed through it with a wet brush, and now I'm going to go in with the OLAPLEX number 3 on this side of my hair. Of course, on the other side, I'm going to use the Bond Curl Rehab Salve from Curlsmith. But I want to take a moment to talk to you guys about our hair bonds. So our hair is actually made up of keratin, which is reinforced by our hair bonds, and there's 3 types of bonds that make up the hair structure. There's disulfide bonds, which are damaged by bleach and chemical treatments. Mine is clearly because of bleach. Then there are salt bonds, which are damaged by sudden pH imbalance, and that can come from several different things. And then there are hydrogen bonds, which can be damaged by excess moisture and heat. And these are the reasons that it's important to do these type of treatments to repair those bonds and make sure that you are keeping your hair as healthy as possible. So now I'm going to go in with the Bond Repair Salve on this side. And the first thing that I noticed was, number 1, it has amazing slip. Number 2, it's a much thicker consistency than the OLAPLEX number 3. And number 3, the smell of it is divine. It is like a light, sweet, fresh scent. I absolutely love it. It glided right through my hair, and I always like to go in. This is just a regular old wet brush. It's nothing fancy. And I like to just distribute it throughout the hair with a brush so that every single strand of hair has some love. And with these treatments, you want to leave on at least 15 minutes, but you can leave them on up to an hour. I decided to keep it on for exactly 20 minutes, and this is 20 minutes later. And this is the OLAPLEX side. It's looking good. It's looking shiny. And then here is the Curlsmith side. And the first thing I noticed was how springy my curls were looking while the treatment was sitting on it. Like, look at this ringlet, you guys. That's crazy. So then I went ahead and went in with my styling products. I did rinse out and wash out the treatments first, and now I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. I use this brand new foam from Curlsmith, FYI. I love it. And then I went in with the Hold Me Softly styling balm, and then I used a little bit of the FLEXI jelly to finish it off. You guys have seen me style my hair a million times. I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I was using, scrunch everything out with my hair repair towel, and then I diffused. And here are the results. So, you know, I never wear my hair like this. I always put all of my bangs to one side, but I kind of left it like this so that you could see what the initial results were. And I'm going to give you some final thoughts about these results, but I am so shook, you guys.
All right, you guys, here are my final results. I didn't think there would ever be a product that would hit the market that would come close to my OLAPLEX number 3. It's just been a holy grail of mine, but I have found a new holy grail. Not only do I think this works just as good as the OLAPLEX number 3, I actually think that it works better, you guys. Like, the shrinkage that I have on this side versus this side tells me that it really strengthened my hair, which brought the bounce back even more than what the OLAPLEX number 3 side did. I definitely think they both look amazing and they both look shiny and healthy, but there are just some added benefits to this one that I really, really love. I really love all of the naturally derived ingredients. I absolutely love the smell of this. I don't know how to describe the smell, but all I know is when I was letting the treatment sit, my daughter came in the room and she was like, oh my gosh, it smells like candy in here. What is that smell? So I do really, really love the scent, and I could tell even while it was sitting on my hair that it was working so well. Like, this side definitely had more wave going on. Now, obviously I didn't scrunch in the treatment or anything like that. I just brushed it through and let it sit on my hair, but this one just kind of stayed wavy, whereas this one, you could actually see the ringlets starting to form while it was sitting on the hair. I also loved that foam that I tried out. This was the first time that I tried their new foam. I'll put the name of it here on the screen, but I loved that product as well. I feel like I got tons of volume with that. I love both of them, but this is definitely going to be the one that I reach for. It had amazing slip to it as well, but I'm so happy that Curlsmith came out with this product along with the rest of their strength recipe VIP line. If you pick up anything from this new line, you need to get your hands on this product. I'll leave all of the information linked in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you think it worked. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.